This week at school, we've been learning about 5 inventors. Their names are Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, Marilyn Hamilton, and William Columba, and Captain Arsenio. My favorite one would be Captain Arsenio because he was an optimist and never gave up, and one day he finally reached his goal.
This week at school in math, we've been learning how to plot quadrants on the coordinate grid.
We're in science this week. We're learning how to keep a cup of water the same temperature as before with different materials.
This week at school, we've been learning in math. I've been doing dividing decimals and multiplying decimals.
In social studies, we've been learning about all 5 regions. We've been learning about the Northeast, Southeast, Midwest, West, and the Southwest.
In ELA, we've been reading a story about a boy who invented the TV, and he was very curious, and he started inventing stuff after he learned about the telephone and the radio, and he invented the TV and the laundry machine.
And we're using foam, foil, cardboard maybe, paint, and a few other materials.
Social studies, we're doing our own cube project about the 5 regions of the earth, and we're doing our project. The project is about, so we have our own region and we write about it on a cube, and we make our earth map of our thing.
In science, we've been learning about all 4 of our spheres: the biosphere, the geosphere, the hydrosphere, and the atmosphere. In math, we've been learning about dividing 2-digit numbers by 3-digit numbers and 4. We have to estimate, and then we have to try and find our answer.
And then in music, we've been listening to different music videos and then taking assignments on them. And then in STEM class, we've been building balloon cars. So we take the water bottle as the body, and then we could get a piece of cardboard or 2 straws, and then put the bottle caps on the straws, the end of the straws, 2. And then we'll take the straw and we'll get the balloon, and we'll put the balloon on top of the straw, and then put rubber bands around it, and then stick it through a hole in the bottom of the water bottle, and then have it go through the top, and then we'll blow into the balloon while it's on the straw, and then it has to blow air out of it, and then it has to move backwards.
And in music, we are doing phone music labs. Sometimes we're doing book hits, sometimes music book hits, and we're learning E, G, B, D, F, and M, F, A, C, E in the music line, and other music staff. That's all.
We do Everfi, which is on a Chromebook, and it teaches us about solving life problems, like saving money and how to do that kind of stuff.
In art, we've been doing comic strips, and we've been inking so far, and we're almost done. In PE, we are doing tests like the pacer test, flexibility, and sit-ups. Later, we will be able to go down to the fitness center.